Doing 20 pull-ups every day can completely transform your body and mindset. This single exercise trains your back, shoulders, arms, core, and grip. At the same time, pull-ups build real functional strength, not just muscle size. When you lift your full body weight daily, your muscles adapt fast and grow stronger. 20 pull-ups every day improve posture by strengthening your upper back. This reduces shoulder pain and rounded shoulders caused by long sitting. Pull-ups also boost fat loss because they activate large muscle groups. More muscle activation means higher calorie burn even after the workout ends. Daily pull-ups increase endurance and mental toughness. At first it feels impossible, but consistency builds discipline. Each repetition teaches your mind to push past limits. This discipline carries into work, focus, confidence, and daily life. Pull-ups also improve grip strength, which helps in lifting, sports, and daily tasks. A strong grip is linked with better overall fitness and longevity. With time, 20 pull-ups a day can give you a powerful V-shaped upper body. No gym, no machines, no excuses, just your body and a bar. Do 20 pull-ups every day and watch your strength, confidence, and physique change.